Hi guys, my name is Amiksha and welcome to Uplifted by Amiksha. So this is to the person who feels everything. Can I tell you something? I don't think so highly sensitive people suffer because they feel too much. They suffer because लोगों ने कभी सिखाया ही नहीं है what to do when they feel everything. Because if you're a sensitive person, life feels different for you. तुम सिर्फ वर्ड्स नहीं सुनते, तुम टोन भी सुनते हो, तुम पॉजेस नोटिस करते हो, तुम्हें याद रहता है किसने क्या कहा था, बट मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली हाउ दे मेड यू फील. You notice when someone's smile doesn't reach their eyes. You notice when someone says, I'm okay, but you know they are not okay. Or honestly, it's exhausting. Because लोग बोलते हैं you're overthinking, you're too sensitive. तुम इतना deep मत सोचो. But deep down you know you're not imagining things. You're just noticing things that other people miss. Have you ever walked away from a conversation and spent the next 3 days wondering, यार मैंने कुछ गलत तो नहीं कहा था? Have you ever typed a message, deleted it, rewritten it, वापस delete किया because you didn't want the other person to misunderstand your intention? Have you ever remembered something embarrassing from 5 years ago and suddenly felt your stomach dropped? Like your brain randomly decides, remember that awkward thing you did in front of everyone, and you remember that on a 2 a.m. at night you are staring at your ceiling and reliving like it happened this morning. Sensitive people know what that exactly feels like when there's nobody that talks about it. The same thing that this makes it harder for you to live life, but it also even makes the life more beautiful because you just don't feel the pain deeply. You feel everything deeply. You notice kindness, you notice efforts, you notice when someone remembers the smallest detail about you. You notice the friend who quietly checks if everyone has reached home safely or not. You notice sunsets, you notice music, you notice other people who is genuinely smiling. You notice the emotions hidden between the words. और सच कहूँ, the small things, it is what makes life meaningful. I think that's why sensitive people gets hurted more. Not because they are weak, not because they love it, they feel love and they do it with their whole heart. जब वो ट्रस्ट करते हैं ना, तब वो पूरा ट्रस्ट करते हैं. जब केयर करते हैं तब पूरा केयर करते हैं. जब किसी से किसी के लिए खड़े रहते हैं, वो पूरी लॉयल्टी के साथ खड़े रहते हैं. एंड दैट्स ब्यूटिफुल. एंड हियर्स द लेसन आई लर्नड द हार्ड वे. Just because you can feel someone's pain doesn't mean it's yours to carry. सिर्फ इसीलिए कि तुम किसी का दर्द समझ सकते हो, ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि तुम उसका बोझा भी उठाओ. I think many sensitive people spend their life carrying emotional backpacks that was never theirs. When someone's angry, we carry it. When someone's disappointed, we carry it. Someone misunderstands us, we carry it. Someone leaves, उसका गिल्ट भी हम ही कैरी करते हैं. And after years of doing this, we become exhausted. Not because we are sensitive, but because we carry things that doesn't belong to us. And one day I realized something. A flower doesn't become stronger by becoming a rock. A flower grows by strengthening the flower's roots. फूल को पत्थर बनने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, उसको बस अपनी जड़ें मजबूत करने की ज़रूरत होती है. Maybe the goal isn't to stop feeling. Maybe the goal is to stop drowning from what you feel, to have boundaries, to protect your energy, to stop to stop getting angry or saying sorry for having a soft heart, because this world will try to convince you that being unaffected is strength. No, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I think real strength is in feeling everything and still remaining kind, still remaining hopeful, still remaining open. And people say being unaffected is strength. No, the people who are highly sensitive, they know world बहुत बुरी चीज़ है. Still we open our hearts, we love someone totally, we trust someone very openly. हमें पता है सामने वाला hurt करेगा, but still we give one more chance. So we should do that, but we should also protect our boundaries and do it with kindness. जब लाइफ तुम्हें हर रीज़न देती है अपना दिल बंद करने का, और फिर भी तुम प्यार करना चूज़ करते हो, दैट इज़ स्ट्रेंथ. And if nobody has told you this recently, being sensitive is not your weakness. Your sensitivity is the reason people feel safe around you. They open their emotions openly. It is the reason you notice beauty when other people miss. It's the reason you care. It's the reason you are able to heal. And maybe the things you have spent years trying to fix it was never broken in the first place. It is something to protect. Because once you learn how to protect your sensitive heart, it becomes your greatest strength. Stay uplifted. See you guys in the next video. Bye.